Hello, hello. Good morning. Once again, this is Kaprutas. Breakfast time. My coach, more cook hot pods better to me than more fresh cold pods. That's my coach and observation, but ignore my pods. It's up to you what is your pods. And also, any problems that comes to me, I have a solution. I don't put in heart and mind the problem because it will destroy my everyday life and future. I always say there is a solution to the problem. That's my coach and observation. Okay, let's eat. Breakfast time. No press. Mainit. Kaya magkutsara ako. Wow. Talagang napakainit.